Where are the other guys?
In the tree somewhere. They're already ordering dinner at the restaurant.
You got another to go down?
No, I think that's it. I think that's where we're going to snowshoe.
Come on, Vincent, move faster.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Come on, Vincent!
No brakes!
No break.
Lift your feet!
Feet together. He said, I don't care. I'm grown up now.
Why is he stopping himself?
He's tougher us.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright.
His bow. Watch out, Vincent, with his bow.
Oh, and he's moving at a clip.
The celebrity turtle, we're all like going like this.
Here you go.
What?
We're all like the celebrity turtle.
Paparazzi.
Yeah!
All right.
Oh, look at that! Look at the snow flowers.
I think I put on snowshoes.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Hey, you need a little weight to come down this hill.
I want to make
Very
snow
wet.
like that.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I got some good shots of you up on that hill with the sun behind you.